Hi guys, it's your boy, Lukey, Wookie, Woo Woo, and today we're going to be reviewing the spicy chicken McNuggets. Let's get into it.
Oh yeah.
Right. I don't know if this dip is going to be that hot. Most stuff I've tried from McDonald's is not that hot. So yeah, I'll give it a try. What is that? Terrible, that's not even hot. Right guys, I think we need to add some of our own sauce. Nando's peri peri sauce, extra hot. Here we go, look. There we go. Right, now let's try it. Oh, 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 oh. Have you got any milk? Oh, my mouth is burned. Quick, give me some milk. I'm not joking. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, terrible. Oh. Fucking hell, that is hot. Shit. Ah. Right guys. 7 out of 10 for the spicy chicken McNuggets, but the sauce is fucking terrible. Sort it out, McDonald's. I'll see you in the next video.